Health insurance. Why you should buy health insurance online? Conversing is in buying as well as a wide variety of health insurance plans online are major reason why most people prefer buying health insurance plans online. Time saving. Buy health insurance plan online help you save time as it does not involve an insurance agent whom you need to explain your requirement to or ask for suggestion. All you need to do is fill a quote and shortlist the most relevant medical health insurance policy from the ones displayed on your screen. Easy to compare different health insurance plan with a health insurance premium calculator. It become easy to calculate premium as well as compare different health insurance plans. Also, it is easy to compare policy online as it offer a simplified way to do so instead of doing it on paper. Right decision when buying health insurance plan online. You have complete flexibility to choose the most suitable one for yourself and your family. You have access to all the information like policy, quote, coverage, benefit, exclusion and other terms and condition. All you have to do is a comparative study of the most suitable plans. Information available 24/7. You can buy a health insurance policy anytime. There is no time limit to buy insurance plan online on portal like Insurance Dekho. Discount. Many health insurance companies offer you discount if you buy their health insurance plans online. The help you available of similar or better benefits at comparatively affordable premium. Instant coverage. Online purchase of health insurance plans provide you with instant investment proof which make your coverage active from immediate effect. Also, flexible modes of premium payment are available when buying health insurance plans online. You can choose the mode at your convenience and pay the premium via a secured payment gateway. If you want to ensure a smooth medical health insurance buying processing, then you must pick a reputed insurance company that offer you enough information about the health insurance plan purchase. Best health insurance plan in India 2022. Sub-limit or room rent. Some insurance companies come with a feature of sub-limit on room rent. This means that there is a maximum amount that an insurance company shall pay in case of a claim. Generally, this limit is up to 1% of the sum insured and a maximum of 2% in case of ICU experience. But there are several general insurance companies that offer health insurance plan without any sub-limit or room rent. Hence, it is recommended to go such plans.